Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I would like to see a doctor, please.
Of course. What is the problem?
I am not feeling well. I think I have a bad cold.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long have you felt this way?
For about 3 days.
May I have your full name, please?
Yes, my full name is David Thomas Brown.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. How old are you?
I am 35 years old.
Is this your first visit here?
Yes, this is my first time.
All right. Please take a seat in the waiting area.
Okay, thank you.
The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you very much.
I hope the doctor can help me. I feel very tired and weak. My head hurts and my nose is blocked. I just want to feel better.
David Thomas Brown?
Yes, that's me.
Please come in. The doctor is ready to see you.
All right.
Hello, Mr. Brown. Please have a seat. Hello, doctor. Thank you. How are you feeling today?
Not very well, actually.
What symptoms do you have?
I have a runny nose, a sore throat, and a headache.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, I have a light cough.
What about a fever?
I don't think so, but I feel warm sometimes.
Have you been sleeping well?
No, I wake up during the night.
I see. Thank you for explaining. I am going to examine you now. Okay. Please open your mouth. Like this? Yes. I will check your throat. All right. Now, please take a deep breath. Okay. I am going to listen to your breathing. Go ahead. You can relax now. Thank you. You have a common cold.
Is it serious?
No, it is not. You need to rest and drink plenty of water. Okay. Try to sleep well and keep warm.
I will.
I will give you some medicine to help with the symptoms.
Thank you, doctor.
This is your prescription. Take this medicine 2 times a day for 5 days.
2 times a day for 5 days.
Yes, that's correct. Should I take it with food? Yes, take it after eating.
All right, thank you.
If you do not feel better in a few days, please come back.
Okay, I will.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you very much, doctor. Hello again.
Hi, Mr. Brown. Are you ready to pay for your visit?
Yes, I am.
All right, that will be $30.
Here is the money.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. Get well soon.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Key words and phrases. Listen and repeat. I would like to see a doctor. I would like to see a doctor. I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well. I have a light cough. I have a light cough. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. This is medicine. This is medicine. I have a cold. I have a cold. This is my throat. This is my throat. I have a fever. I have a fever. This is a runny nose. This is a runny nose. I have a headache. I have a headache.